Hello, Simph. My name is Luis Garcia. I'm applying for a QA engineer, and the introductory questions I plan to answer are the following. What are my strengths? So my strengths is I'm highly competitive. I also am a restorative person, and I'm a futuristic or a forward-thinking person. So what I think, to expound on those strengths, I play to win, meaning I try to do things in the best of my at the best of my ability. So I always make sure that I put the highest quality output that I could ever make. Restorative means that I have a knack of dealing with problems, so breaking them down, trying to understand the why, specifically for bugs, why it happens, or like for fixes, how does this fix these certain issues. Admittedly, I also have weaknesses, which I think is just another manifestation of my strengths. So being futuristic can mean that I might not think realistically. So that can be a manifestation of weakness, which is also part of my strength. So that's how I believe strengths and weaknesses correlate to each other. Lastly, why did I choose to apply to Simph? So I've heard about Simph since I was in college. That was, I think, 5 years ago. Simph is one of the top companies in Cebu, so I'd like to be part of that group. I also attend GDG, and I know a lot of Simphers based from that or those events. Why should you hire me? So if you want to streamline your test automation strategy, I believe I'm one of the best in that area. Bye.